Okay guys, welcome to Tech Tuesday, Shit Happens. My name's MJ and I'm the product support manager here at JBS Equipment. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about maintenance, specifically your equipment's gearbox oil. The most common call I get is about maintenance of our machines, what to do and when to do it. But we cannot stress enough that keeping your machine lubed is vital to its health and longevity. Nobody likes a dry shaft. For f***'s sake. Okay, moving on. Whether it be your floor drive gearbox or beater gearbox, your oil should be checked at the beginning and the end of every use. This is to ensure you have the correct levels and visual oil health needed to maintain your equipment, or shit's gonna happen. So to check if you have the correct amount of oil and to get a visual of your oil color, there is a sight glass built into your JBS equipment. Your beater gearbox oil sight glass can be found at the center bottom of your beater, and the fill location is directly above. Your floor drive gearbox oil sight glass can be found right here, and either side of it can be used for a fill location. Both oil levels should run directly through the red dot. The oil should be golden in color, and the air should be visible at the upper half of the sight glass. That's it for this episode of Tech Tuesday, Shit Happens. Be sure to like and follow us on our social media platforms, and if you have any tech video ideas you'd like to see, drop them in the comments section below. And remember, if you don't schedule time for maintenance, your equipment will do it for you.